In this lesson, we will be looking at writing equations initially in point-slope form and then converting them to slope-intercept form, because I need you to understand that you can go back and forth from one form of an equation to the other. Okay? So, first of all, I gave you a point or a coordinate, and I gave you the slope. So you're going to start by calling this your x1, this your y1, and plugging these things into the point slope formula, which is that one right there. Okay, so I will go y minus 11 equals m, which is 3, times x minus x1, which I know is 2. Okay, so this is your initial equation right here in point slope form. Okay, so this right here, I'm actually going to cross this off. This right here is point slope. Then I want you to take that equation and I want you to convert it to slope-intercept form, which is this one. So in slope-intercept form, you need that equation solved for y, basically, and to get it simplified. So what you're going to do is you're going to distribute this through. So I will have y minus 11 equals 3x. 3 times x is 3x, minus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, it is not solved for y yet, so I would want to add 11 to both sides so that I get y equals 3x, and then negative 6 plus 11 is 5. And this is what it would look like in slope-intercept form. Okay. All right, another one. This one does not come out nearly as pretty. We have to deal with some more fractions, but we can do this. So again, I've given you a point and the slope, so it's easiest to put that into point-slope formula. x1, y1. So when I plug it into the formula, I have y minus negative 2, because my y1 is negative 2. Well, minus negative 2 is positive 2, equals my slope, which is negative 3/5, times x minus negative 1. And minus a negative, of course, would become a positive. Okay, so this right here is what it would look like in point-slope form. Okay, and then I want to get that equation solved for y. So I do need to distribute the negative 3/5 times the x, which would be negative 3/5 x, and the negative 3/5 times 1 is negative 3/5. And then, of course, I have the y plus 2 over here. Still not into slope-intercept or y equals mx plus b form, so I want to subtract 2 right here. And I'll have y equals negative 3/5 x. Now, I have to take, I'm going to do this off to the side here. I have to take negative 3/5 and subtract 2. Remember, this is 2 over 1. So to do that, you would want to get common denominators and make this be a 5 and a 10. So I have negative 3/5 minus 10/5, which of course would give me negative 13/5. So that's what that would look like. Okay, not nearly as pretty, but this is your answer in slope-intercept or y equals mx plus b form.